Good morning. Welcome to the channel if you're new here. If you're not new here, welcome back. I just wanted to go over fuel filters with you guys on these 6.7s. I got a question. How long do you go before you change them? I'm underneath one right now, about 12,600 something miles before they change the fuel filters. It's not too terribly dirty. I'm going to show it to you here in a second. But I just want to know, how often are you guys changing your filters? Do you do it every oil change, every other oil change? You do it every 30,000 miles? So let's take a look at this filter, compare the old one to the new one, and we'll go from there. This is the old one. This is all dirt. So the filter is doing its job. I pulled it out of that hole right there. This is the new one. Nice and clean. Now let's take a look. And this is a F450 6.7 Powerstroke. So there's some debris down in here. I'm going to clean this out, install a new filter on it. But I just wanted to know, how often are you guys changing your filters out? Are you keeping on top of your maintenance? And it's a fuel filter. Are you doing them every oil change, every other oil change? Every 15,000 miles, every 30? I think this one has gone 30 something thousand miles, or excuse me, 12,600 something miles before they did it. Like I said, it's not too terribly bad. There's not throwing any codes or anything like that, but I figure I'll go ahead and change it with the new O-ring. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that out, and then I'm gonna clean this out first. And let me know down in the comments how often it is when you guys are doing your maintenance on your fuel water separator or fuel water modules. Love you guys. See you on the next one.